What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the most effective and quickest way to turn over $1,000 a day with AI and ChatGPT and not make the same mistakes that I made. Now, if you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to be sharing with you everything you need to do to get started today. And I'm also going to give you a bunch of free stuff like the digital playbook right here, which has a step-by-step checklist of tutorials and more in-depth videos of how to set up this infrastructure. You have the Clip Merchants tab, which is everything about learning how to clip, learning how to grow, and learning how to build your audience. This is a FAQ, prompts that I use for my short forms. This is a list of 130 plus AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote. Short form videos right here that are already done for you. Different make.com blueprints and sequences that I use for AI content generation, and then just a library of other really cool stuff. So I hope you're excited, and if you are excited, let me know down below. Do me a favor, respond with the word yes in the comments right now. It lets me know to make more videos like this in the future. So let's not waste any more time, and let's dive into exactly what you need to get started and how this actually works so you don't make the same mistakes that I do. So first thing that you're going to want to do is just go ahead and go to digitalplaybook.com. This is going to allow you to get access to our community right here. This is where the digital playbook is hosted right here, and the news start here. This is where you get access to that Google sheet right here. Over here, you'll see all the different users that are in the group. There's 1,300. And then over here are going to be the different apps. So this is where you're able to clip content for different creators. This is a chat section, and announcements, some of the top affiliate offers that you're able to promote. This is actually a bounty that's going on right now. If you post for 30 days straight, you can earn up to $250, different questions, and then some members only videos. So if you want to go ahead and hop in here, go ahead, link will be in the description, but let's go ahead and start going through the checklist. So once you get the checklist, the first thing you're going to need is this tool called Go High Level. Now, I really like this tool because, as you can see right here, it's an all-in-one marketing platform. Now, it is a 14-day free trial, and then you're going to have to end up paying. But if you really want to take this serious, which is a mistake that I made, and I didn't have a system and infrastructure in place, this is going to save you guys a bunch of time. So once you sign up for this free trial, you're going to get taken to what's called a sub account. This is what your sub account is going to look like. And the three areas that I want to be touching on in this video are going to be sites, automation, and marketing. Sites is where the front end funnel is going to be built. Automations is going to be the back end email sequences. And then marketing is probably the most important, is how you're going to schedule out your short form content. So let's go ahead and go back to the checklist, because you're able to get everything, all my frameworks, all my sequences, and all my funnels already done for you if you use this or import this thing called a snapshot. And that's what it is. It's just taking everything that I use, and it's going to import directly into your guys' sub account. So all you would do is hit yes, import, and then it would have it imported here. And then once you have it imported, you would just hit create new account. I'm not going to do that because I already have an account, but you would go back to, let's start off in sites, and everything would be boom. You would have all this stuff imported, and then same thing with the automations, and then some of the back-end custom values. But since we're in sites right here, let's go ahead and talk about the front-end funnel. Funnel, opt-in, same thing. And basically what this is it's how you're going to be collecting data. So I like to think of just social media, as you can see by my content strategy, is I'm posting every day, and my whole goal is just to collect data. And that is to get people in here, boom, first name, email, and that sends them to my group, which I'm able to actually have a conversation through the DMs, educate, and stuff like that. So you able to have this, obviously you can copy it, change it up a little bit, because maybe some of you guys aren't into AI niche or want to talk about a different AI tool. More than happy to change that. So once you have this set up, the funnel, let's go ahead and talk about the back end part of it, which is going to be the email automations and sequences, and that's going to be right here. Now you're going to have all of these different email automations, but depending on if you're familiar with this software, familiar with email marketing, it all depends on you guys. But I have one called the new email opt-in. Well, if you're new and you're not very advanced yet, use this sequence, because I have 60 already done for you emails built out. Now they are promoting Go High Level. So if you obviously aren't going to be promoting that, all you need to do is just go in here. Actually, this is a bad email example. Let's go in to one of these. Then all you would do is just copy the text and put it into ChatGPT and tell it to rewrite this to promote a different AI tool or whatever your service is going to be. And so all you would need to do is just come up here and add a trigger, and that would be form. So form submission is that thing where people enter in their first name and email. So just you would click here, add the form, boom, whatever your form is. And then voila, every time a form would be entered, they would enter in this sequence right here. So we have the front end and the back end, but now we need to get the distribution engine and get attention to your opt-in. So going back to the dashboard, we want to go to marketing. Now this is where the social planner is. This is where you're going to be able to connect your different social media accounts. I have some connected right here. And then you're able to make posts, schedule out posts. You can see how I have posts already scheduled to March 31st. But I like to go right here, the calendar section. It allows you to see everything like it's placed out in the calendar. And so you have a couple options here. We can create an AI clone, which I do in some of my videos. And also you can use this free tool called Blotato, which I'm going to talk about right here. Now, Blotato, just go here, open it up, but I already have my account opened. And what it's able to do is you're able to actually write hooks, generate scripts from within here. So let's say you want to be more on camera, you can do that like a UGC creator, but I'm going to go down to the AI videos because I have a feeling that a lot of you guys just want to create stuff and be unanimous. I think that's the word. So this is the create your video section, and you can see right here, it allows you to do everything you need. Write the script, choose the theme, the voice, and the captions. So you don't even have to go into ChatGPT. You can see right here, this is kind of my bread and butter, as you can see from the prompts, and I give you those short form prompts that I use right here as well. This is just a Notion tab of different prompts too for using ChatGPT, which is, I highly recommend you use this. Going back to Blotato, you don't need to use this. Let's say you want to talk about anything. Give it the story topic and it will generate you the script. So, feeding cows. I don't know why I thought of that, but let's see what it does. We'll make it 30 seconds. Have you ever seen a cow eat? So go ahead and pick your theme. Now I'm actually not going to go through this whole process. If you look top right of your screen right here, there is going to be a video that I made that specifically goes step by step into how to use this tool, Blotato. But after you would generate this content, this video, you would go ahead and simply upload it into your social planner. So you would go to new post, create new post, pick your social media accounts. I normally do something like comment here, and I'll send you it. So the whole point of doing that is you want to get engagement on your post, whether it's likes, shares, comments. That's what the algorithm likes to see. Then you would just, this is for an image, this is for a video. Click video, then you would upload whichever video that you just created, and you would simply hit schedule, post, and then voila. And after that, you would want to do this process over and over and over again. So you have content. Now, after you do this, another tool that I want to briefly talk about, which I've got asked questions, is this tool called Descript. And this is the tool that I use to edit this video that you're seeing right now. And it takes not even 5 minutes. So as you can see, these are all the videos that I have right here. But let's just go into this one right here. So it looks like this because I'm in OBS, but you have the option to do so much in this editor. So this is text to edit. You can see that this is literally what I'm talking, and it's all right here. Let's say I say a lot or I mess up in here. If we go over here to this section, this is called the Underlord, and it allows you to edit for clarity. So if we click right here, edit, and it'll edit out parts where maybe I stuttered. Look at all this. takes out some parts by what would sound the most clear. I use this sometimes, not always. Let's say I don't want to have that. We'll go to Underlord. All my, where is it? Go back. Yeah, all my YouTube descriptions are here. You're able to create YouTube descriptions. You're also able to create a blog post from what you speak in this video. You're also able to, I use studio sounds and remove filler words. So studio sounds, it just makes it sound a little bit better. Maybe you don't have a mic, you can just turn that on and it changes, it just makes it sound more clear. But this is a tool that been using for months now, and I highly recommend it, especially if you're trying to get into making money online and content creation. And this is one of the things that I wish I wouldn't have made a mistake on so early on. So finishing off this video, you can see there's 2 people in here taking action, which I like to see. But just go ahead and go to the digital playbook to get started with all these free resources. Once you get in here, you're able to DM me, message me. But I hope this makes sense. I hope you don't make the same mistakes that I made. But that is going to be it for this one, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.